Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Google certified educator as well. Today the thing that I'm going to bring in front of you is to improve the reading skills, especially for the beginners. Beginners, they find a lot of challenges while going through and reading the content, where they are not able to understand how to pronounce an exact word as well. So the things that I'm going to train you on today is I'm going to train you on an app which you people can go ahead download on your cell phone, especially from the Google store, and which is going to be very beneficial for the beginners when they are going to upskill themselves for reading. And on daily basis they need to spend approximately 10 minutes on this app, where there then it is going to generate a report out of it. So let's quickly start over, people. So what you people have to do exactly is that you people need to go to the Google Play Store on your cell phone, and once you will be going over there, you need to write down over there the app which is Read Along. Okay, so this read along was formerly called as the Bolo app, which is provided by the Google. What you people are going to do is you will be clicking on this read along app, and then you have to click on install. And so the moment you people are going to click on install, it's going to ask for a verification altogether. And along with that, what this tool is going to do is, so first and foremost, the data is going to be utilized only while installing. Once it is installed, you don't even need a Wi-Fi for practicing on this app. So you can see that the app has been downloaded, and now you can go ahead and click on open. Okay, and the moment you people are going to click on open, so you can see that, so over here this dia that I'm talking about, dia is an automated people that you can talk about. That's an automated voice assistance tool which is okay, so this is an automated voice assistant which is available, and this is how this is going to help you out as well. Once you people will be reading the content, this artificial or this voice assistant tool is also going to speak along with you. There are multiple options which are available in front of you, people. What you have to do is you need to select from one of the option which is suitable for you, but I would rather recommend you to go ahead and select. So as I've selected English only, so I would be, once I've selected English only, I would be proceeding ahead and I would be clicking on next. So this is the, okay, so this is the entire reading instruction that the tool is going to showcase it to you, and how you people have to actually use it, people. So you have to click on got it over here. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to read along with her, like learn to read with me. Okay, so you have to tap on there. So what you have to do is you have to allow the to record your audio, because this is how it's going to track your language once you people are going to practice on this tool. So you have to click on allow over here. So first of all the tool will be reading, then I have to read. So what I have to do is learn to read with me. So people, what you have to do is, when you will be reading along with this tool, with every word it is going to give you a star. But in case if any of the word is not pronounced or read correctly, it's going to underline in the form of a dot over here. And once you will be clicking on this dot, this particular dia tool or this voice assistant tool which is available, this would be reading that word back to you. So you people can go ahead and use it in order to listen to the accurate pronunciation of the word which is being read also. So if I go ahead and click on read, see, it is saying read. Okay, so it will be pronouncing this word in two format. One is in a slow format, another is in a loud format. So you people can go ahead and click on it. Once again, let me just show you. So it is telling you read, so then it becomes read. Okay, now once I will be clicking on this next arrow, it is going to take me through the further section. In the further section, we people will be seeing the stories and the puzzles over here, over there. Now the stories that we people are going to see, that would be a short story, it would be a long story altogether, which you people can use it on daily basis in order to practice on this app. So let's go ahead and do it. So we'll click on next. So this is how it is showing you the library, people. It's showing you the library. Here are all the stories which are available, which you people can go ahead and read it all together. And if I, that is, so let's go ahead and do this. I will go with this I like to read option. Okay. See, first the tool has said, now it is my turn. So it's I like to read. So on the basis of your talk, this is going to give you stars which would be collected in your report altogether. Now the next thing that we have to do, okay, who can read it? Since I mistakenly mispronounces, just to show you over here. Okay, now my sister is asleep. Who can I read to? My mother and grandfather are busy. See, so now it is giving me over the grandmother. So now you can go ahead and click it. It is telling you it is grandmother. Okay. My mother and grandmother are busy. Who can I read to? Okay. My father and grandfather are busy. Who can I read to? I can read to myself. So once your story would be over, the jumbled words would be created, people. That would be on the basis of the words which you people have not read correctly. So it's going to make you play jumbled words, or there would be other quizzes which is going to be a part of it. Let me just show you a quick glimpse of it, how the jumbled words they go like. So it goes like this. See, it is red. So I'm going to drag it down. R E A and then D. Hmm. Who? W H O. Pink. Okay. 10. 0. See, people, on daily basis. So this particular thing, it's going to say every time whenever you people are going to be a part of the reading plus the quiz section altogether, it would be generating the stars out of your reading skills on daily basis, on the basis of which the report is also going to be published. Okay, and not only that, people, what exactly you have to do is, when you will be going ahead with the reading section and it is going to generate a quiz out of it, normally the words that you people will be coming across are going to be 5. Now at this moment I have shown you only a small story, right, which is only for the beginners altogether, which are facing huge difficulty while reading. There are other stories which are available, like a mediocre story and a long story, or a short story version as well, which you people can go ahead and you can select on this particular app, It will open up in front of you, and then you people have to go ahead and read out that story. The moment you're going to read it, this tool, the Diya app assistant which is available, is going to listen to it, and accordingly the stars are going to be generated. If mistakenly any of the word is not pronounced or read correctly, it's going to put it in the form of a dot, right? There would be red dots underneath it, and then you people can go ahead, click on those red dot to listen to the actual pronunciation of the word, which is going to be given to you in two format. One is the fast format, another would be the slow version of it, so that you people should understand how exactly the words needs to be pronounced. Okay, so at this moment I did not store it, people. However, it's totally up to you. You people can go ahead and store your scores. You can generate it, and once you generate it, will be going into this prizes section. So here, okay, so here is the report which is going to be generated, which you people can see it over here. Okay, and in the library section, once you scroll down this thing, right, if I go down onto this tool, right, let me just show you. I'm going to take you down. If we go down, it is going to show us games, and along with that it is also going to show us, other versions of the story. Like, let me just show you. See, these are the new stories that you people can see. Okay, so here are all the stories which are available, and these are all the games that you people will be coming across, like jumbled words that we have done today. I've just shown you a quick demo out of it. Then we have a speed reading section as well. So, okay, and then we have pop the balloons as a quiz also. And if I take you down over here, see, you can see that there are short story, tiny story, long story, very long story. This is what I was talking about, right? So this is a sort of a reading made fun section. Not only the adults can read it, even the children can go ahead and read through the stories app altogether. So you people can go ahead, you can select from these very long story on daily basis. And on daily basis, what you people have to do is, you people have to select, have to spend approximately 10 minutes on the reading app, on the basis of which this tool is designed. So you people can go ahead and do it. And if I go on to this menu section or the menu bar over here, right, I can turn on the music if I want. Okay, if you want to turn it on, you can click on this and you can turn it on. If not, you can turn it off. And then the language setting option is available over here, though by default the language which I have selected over here was English today, but otherwise it is up to you. Out of the options which is available, which is shown to you, you people can go ahead and then you people can select the story. Okay, now people, what I need to tell you is that before I proceed ahead and wrap up with the today's section, I would request you, that is those viewers who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center and click on subscribe. And in case if you have any queries, you can reach me on Instagram at cherub.teaching.center. You can also reach me on Facebook at Cherub Teaching Center. And in case if you want to reach me on Microsoft Teams, you can reach me on Cherubians altogether, right? So there are more things which are coming up your way, people. So just quickly go ahead and subscribe to the channel, which is Cherub Teaching Center, in order to train yourself on a number of things which are coming up your way. Thank you so much, people.